So today we're replacing a ground fault circuit interrupter, and pro tip number 1, always change out your foam gasket so you don't have to change the whole thing out again in another few years. Always a good idea to take note of the amps here. I'm usually written on the side. As you can see, this one is 20 amps, so replacing it with another 20 amp. Some devices will have a strip gauge located on the back. Ensure that wires are stripped according to this spec. And if you're finding this content helpful, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get back to it. So remember that a silver screw will be neutral, whereas a gold screw will be hot. Got the ground wire going on first. We did notice a little bit of corrosion on that, indicative of some water. That's the way you want it resting on that ground screw, nice and snug. Although our setup did not look exactly like this one, some may. To identify the hot wire, use a non-contact voltage tester after turning the breaker back on, and you can even label it with some electrical tape to help you keep track. Don't forget to turn the breaker back off and test once again before resuming work. Keep in mind that there are many different styles of GFCI outlets, and yours may differ. Some manufacturers include yellow tape to help identify the load terminals, as shown here. Alright, so all of those wires are snugged up. Beautiful. When placing it back in the box, it's very important that that bare copper wire does not touch the side terminals.